If you have spent hours creating a proposal, pitch deck, or a client document, this video will save you a lot of time. Because I'm about to show you how I created a fully structured professional proposal in literally seconds using an AI tool. And the best part, I didn't design anything, I didn't format anything. I just copied my content, pasted it, and AI did the rest. Let me show you exactly how this works. I came across this tool, Gamma. It is an AI-powered tool that helps you create presentations, proposals, documents, and even simple web pages just from text. Think of it like a mix of PowerPoint, Notion, and AI, but much faster. Instead of starting with a blank slide and worrying about layout, structure, or design, you just tell Gamma what you want and it builds everything automatically. This is especially powerful if you create client proposals, pitch decks, or marketing documents regularly. Here's the simple flow. You start by giving Gamma a prompt or pasting your content. Gamma then breaks that content into clean sections, designs the layout, and adds structure and makes it look presentable. You can edit text, rearrange sections, change visuals, but most of the heavy lifting is already done. And once it's ready, you can export it as a PDF, a PowerPoint, or just share it as a live link. Alright, let me actually do this live so you can see what I mean. I already have some raw proposal content here. Nothing fancy, just text. I'm going to copy this, paste it into Gamma, and hit generate. Now watch this. Gamma is taking the raw content and automatically turning it into a structured proposals, headings, sections, flow, everything. This is the part I really like. I'm not telling it how to design anything, it's just figuring out the structure for me. And that's basically it. This is what I mean when I say I created proposals in seconds. No redesigning, no formatting, no starting from scratch. If you are someone who sends proposals often, this alone can save you hours every week. You can use Gamma for a lot of things. Client proposals, pitch decks, agency presentations, reports, onboarding documents, internal docs, even simple landing pages. If you are a founder, freelancer, consultant, or a part of a sales or marketing team, this fits naturally into your workflow. Instead of spending time on slides, focus on your thinking. Gamma handles the presentation layer. What I personally like is how frictionless it feels. You don't need design skills, you don't need templates, you don't need to overthink structure. All that you have to do is just paste your content and refine it. It feels like how documents should work in 2026. If you want to try this yourself, I have added my affiliate link in the description below. You can start for free and see how it fits into your workflow. If you create proposals, decks, or client documents regularly, this is 100% worth testing. Let me know in the comments what you'd use Gamma for. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.